life, what I would give to have a new life, just to find and open new life, just to share the pleasures of belong. A new start, that's the thing I need to give me new heart. Just a chance in life to find a new part. Just a simple role that I can play. A new hope, something to convince me to renew hope. A new day, bright enough to help me find my way. A new chance, one that maybe has a touch of romance. Where can it be? The chance for me. A new dream. I have one I know that very few dream. I feel that overdue dream, even though it never may come true. A new love, even though I know I never knew love, even though I know it's just a few love, still I think that this dream is my due. New world, that's one thing I want to ask from you, world, just to see the dream that overdue, world, just to prove the cynics are wrong. New life, though I know I never knew life, just again to see that overdue life, to feel the pleasures of belong. That's what I've been here for all along. Each day's a brand new
Wow. We'll start with you, Jimmy.
I could not be prouder at this moment than I am with you. That was wow. What else can I say? I mean, you had a couple little tiny pitch issues in there, but they were so forgotten the second you hit that second chorus. You blew me away. Thank you.
Aunt Betty.
That was fabulous, dear. It was really wonderful. The passion and stuff. One comment I want to make that I think is really, the rest of the judges are going to come right with me on this. If you'll remember at your audition in your first couple of songs, we talked to you about two issues, support and placement, up in, you know, nasal and all that stuff. Where you've come in your vocal placement between then and now is like a million miles. The wonderful, warm, feminine, awesome tone that's coming out of your mouth, and it's big and it's bright, and the microphone loves it, and you just sound so wonderful now, and I just love watching this kind of growth. It's really quite gratifying.
You.
All right, Michael.
Hello. All right, just something you should know. If I was a female, the role that I would want to play is Lucy in Jekyll and Hyde. Just because her songs are just flat out amazing. I'm going to say that I really liked it. I didn't love it. Everybody boo. Only because I'm so familiar with the character, and I wanted to see more of a development. You see what I'm saying? I mean, you were about great notes, and oh my God, you belt amazing. I had no clue you had that in you. I just wanted a little bit more storytelling, a little bit more heart. You know, 'cause you know what I'm saying?
All right, Gary.
Really? Oh, you just didn't like my comments?
No. I thought it was awesome. I thought it was absolutely awesome. You remind me of the girl, the lady who was in Smash, the TV show Smash. Reminded me of that. You got that full-on belt, big-time Merman-esque. It not sound like her. Much better than that. Trust me. Oh my God. But I thought awesome. Here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jessica Wolf.